Conclusion. So, we have come to the end. I told you pretty much everything I knew about Premiere. Not all, but almost all. And now I want to talk about where to get materials for editing, because there are a lot of assets distributed on the internet. I mean, asset is everything. It can be video footages, masks, presets and effects made in Premiere or After Effects that can be applied in your editing. And many creators of such assets distribute them for free. The main thing is to know where to find them and how to use them. So now I'll briefly list a few of my main favorites. Let's say there is huge Envato market, where in fact everything is collected. There are scripts for programmers, 3D renders and photos, in addition to music and editing assets. They collected everything. There is also motionarray.com. It's a great website where you can find a lot of interesting things. There are also motion graphic templates. The free templates checkbox shows us everything that can be downloaded just like that, to everyone who comes in. Let's say that you can take such a thing absolutely for free and use it in your editing. And speaking of free assets, there is a separate panel of essential graphics, even in Premiere, where we have Adobe stock. If we see the free checkbox, it means that all of this can be taken for free from Adobe stock. Even Shutterstock has joined the distribution of free assets, so you can also find something there. Our next website is pixels.com. This is a website with free photos and video footages. All materials from this website can be used for free. Attribution is also not required, but it's welcome. You can change the material in any way you want. It's forbidden to sell copies and everything that is on the website. Accordingly, any material that you place in your case must be edited by you. But in principle, this is already obvious, because you take footages, create your own video from them and place them in your portfolio. There is thedevil.net. This is your friend who helps you not only with video footages, but also with finding music, sounds, graphics and a bunch of other useful things. There are 3 types of licenses on this website. Also we have NASA Collection. The description of this license you can find in NASA guidelines. To use them, you must specify the authorship. Also, there is a ban on using the material in such a way that NASA or their materials advertise a product or service. Next, we consider unsplash.com. Here you can find a huge variety of stock photos on various topics and download them for free. There is pixabay.com. This website contains photos, vector graphics and short videos. You can download and use them completely free, even for commercial purpose. Also, there are materials with a watermark that you can purchase under license. The last website that I can recommend you is freepik.com. Here are free vectors, PSD and photos that you can download and use in your works. Also, there is a premium subscription here, by purchasing which you can download premium images an unlimited number of times. Don't forget that we have a YouTube channel, where you can find a lot of additional useful information. Well, now we'll talk about where to find customers and what you need for this. First of all, you should complete all the tasks in each module of our course in order to consolidate learning through practical application, understand how to work with tools, and most importantly, gain valuable experience in video editing. Next, you need to create your own show reel. This is your business card, your portfolio that will be shown to your future customer. In one video, you have to apply your accurate knowledge and skills. The cooler your show reel is, the greater the chance that clients will cooperate with you. So, we have come to the most important question: where to look for a job? There are 2 types of platforms on the internet, with permanent work and freelance. Now I will tell you about the most popular and cool places where you can cooperate with many creative people, bloggers and companies. Fiverr.com is a freelance platform where professionals of various activities from all over the world are looking for and finding work. Behance.net is a platform with portfolio pages for video editors and other creative professions, where producers and everyone involved in the video industry looking for new talents. Productionhub.com is a place with full-time and part-time jobs for directors, producers, video editors and others. Maindy.com is a freelance platform for creative professions. Here you can find vacancies with payment per month or per hour. Stage32.com is a website where you can respond to vacancies. There are many people who are looking for designers, video editors, actors and producers to join their team, even for a TV show. Simplyhire.com is a place where you can find a part-time and full-time job in any field. Video editors are welcome here. LinkedIn.com is a social network for finding and establishing business relationships. In addition to finding a job, you can join and create interesting groups here. If you want to work on many websites in parallel, it won't be superfluous to create a landing page with your portfolio. To do this, you can use Wix.com and Unbounce.com. And of course, upload your portfolio on YouTube.com and Vimeo.com to gain popularity and like-minded people many times faster. It will be a big plus if you gather your audience and fans. Some employers are more willing to work with people who have their own channels on video platforms. Thus, you need to register on the platform you are interested in, fill out your profile, upload your showreel there, prepare a message in which you will tell about your skills, knowledge and your strengths, then take action, respond to vacancies and write to employers. And now, where to go next? When you have mastered Premiere? Of course, Premiere is just the beginning. This is kind a link between all Adobe applications. And in this case, of course, you need to move on to After Effects. Moreover, this bundle, Premiere and After Effects, work so cool together. An ideal workflow might look something like this. First, start with Premiere Pro and get video clips in the right format with the right content. Second, use the timeline in the Premiere to sync audio and video. It's better than in After Effects. Third, then switch to After Effects to improve your video content. Edit titles, shapes, 2D or 3D animation, special effects and other additions. This will save you time. The good thing about using other Adobe tools is that they function in a way that you are already familiar with. In addition, Adobe has developed collaboration software. You don't need to export from one program to open in another. Dynamic Link allows you to switch between them simultaneously. In general, Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects are two powerful tools that will help you create real masterpieces. That's all. I say goodbye to you. Thank you for being on this course. Thank you for sitting through to the end. I have put my heart into it. To watch it more than 8 hours is very hard, but I hope it was worth it. Good luck!